Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to send location on Messenger, and this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to launch or open your Messenger, and you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Messenger application or your Messenger application is up to date. Now here you have to look for the specific conversation or the person that you wanted to send or share your location. So let me tap this person right here. For example, I am going to send my location to my friend Ashanti. So I'm going to tap her name here. And then below the name or below the conversation, you will see here plus icon, tap location, and then click this allow location access. Then it will detect your place, and all you have to do is to simply click share your location. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, you have 1 hour remaining. So feel free to stop sharing live location if you want. And then if you tap this one again, then click this view location right here. So that's it. That's how easy it is to simply share or send your location on Messenger. And if you want to stop it like after 40 minutes, after 30 minutes, everything is up to you. You just have to click the stop sharing location and it will stop. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.